My stomach hurt a little bit when I first got up this morning. Well, we got camp packed up just about. Had another fun night. Slept a lot better this night. We got about 300 miles till we get home. I think we're going to hit Sumpter for breakfast. Looking forward to another day of riding and then getting home.
Come in and buy some weed, get munchies, and go to the cafe and get some food, you know?
Fuck, right?
Don't stand outside and be miserable. Come inside and get the...
Yeah, it's part of the fun. I like stuff.
Specials.
I think you enter.
Smell that. You can't see him very well.
Stopped for a little break outside of John Day. Clyde something State Park, super helpful.
Maybe Oliver.
Clyde Oliver.
Maybe.
Cool. I believe, I don't know. That's the John Day River. It's kind of small, but John Day Creek. Abel's having issues with his bike. Don't know what's going on. The ride from Sumpter to John Day was absolutely amazing. Perfect roads, perfect weather.
Pretty well had it to ourselves until we got John Day.
So good. Probably be picking back up here soon and getting back on the motorcycle. I am looking forward to getting home. We're a ways away, but
I'm not super anxious about it like I usually am by now. Like I'm just, but I'm really enjoying to be on the bike today.
yeah, it is a good day.
It is.
It's that air conditioning at home that's calling me.
Shower for me.
Shower.
And my cats. I miss my cats.
Yeah.
My little baby cats.
That's not been the sweet spot. I don't know what that is.
Is the window open there? Where do we go in?
Yep. Well, we made it back. Man, we just knocked out 1,000 miles in 3 days. That's that's pretty hard. 300 plus day after day. I'm pretty whooped, but such a good trip. Had so much fun. It's just beautiful. Had highs and lows, I'd like to thank Eric, Abel, Trav, and Tom for letting us tag along on this trip, man. It was a hell of a good run, and here's hoping we can do it again next year. If you made it this far, by the time this video releases, we're probably in the middle of our long trip. Every year we knock out a long trip. Last year it was kind of to Idaho and back. Anyway, on the long trip we're hitting, I think we're going obviously through Oregon, California, Nevada, Idaho, potentially Wyoming, Montana, and Washington. So we got about 10 days planned. Might go a little long. Really looking forward to it. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the like, the bell, all the fun stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take it easy. I'd like to thank Trav, Tom, and Eric and Abel for joining it for cut. We haven't named this one yet. No, that ain't gonna work. I'm gonna have to have a name for it before this fucking video goes up.